8-minute core stability training today. This is going to be a short and sweet session, so let's get bouncing. Every bounce you take, if you engage the core, we're going to be building amazing strength and stability. We keep showing up day in and day out for ourselves, and you really can increase your balance, flexibility, endurance, etc., etc. Let's just go in and out just to get warm real fast before we get into the real meat of the workout. We see six-pack abs as the thing on Instagram and everywhere. Six-pack abs, they're going to really happen in the kitchen. What we eat determines that so much more than what we do on our rebounder in the gym. But we can have incredible core stability sessions where we bring strength and stability into our core area. It's going to help us just to move through our day with ease and strength. Okay. We're going to start to bring the knee up. Engage your core. I'm going to say that 1,000,000 times today. Little bounce. Knees come up. Wherever you're at, it's good enough. If it's just a tiny little knee up, terrific. And then let's go. Just a few like this. And that's already right into a twist. Just a nice bounce. Work the obliques, the side, abdominals. This is really supposed to boost our mood, elevate our energy in just 8 minutes. And we can put our focus on the abs. Brilliant. Okay. Shake that out. To the side. Elbow to knee. And working the side abdominals. Get it just a little bit extra bounce when you come down. Reducing the impact. Twist into it. This is great for building mobility as well. Why we want to dedicate some core stability time. Moving in dynamic ways. Training the body. So that we go for that evening walk. We do it with strength, ease. So we can do those simplest of tasks more freely. Couple more. Let's bounce. Real focused, intentional bounce. Come up onto the balls of your feet. Can you keep your heels off the rebounder? Engage that core. Bring the arms up just to halfway. Put all your focus on staying on the balls of your feet and in your abdominal area. Everything comes from our core. Just doing exercises that support every movement. All right. And just to the out wide, just for a moment until we come into, are you ready? Single leg. Bounce on one leg, 30 seconds. Just this simple act. It's building that great balance and core stability. Nobody cares if you have six-pack abs. You can have six-pack abs and have really poor core stability. It's about being able to do activities like this. Not slip and fall. Let's go. Other side. Woo. That's a good one. Just the jumping from one to the other. So you can get out in the woods, walk over uneven surfaces, climb over rocks, falling trees. Oh, because you got that great stability that you're confident it's going to allow you to jump over the creek, climb up the hill without any problems. Ooh, okay. Let's actually try it. Ready? Go to the other. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. So bounce from one leg to the next. Go at your own pace. Ooh. So every time you land, it's on a different surface. This is what's so great about the rebounder. Different couple. Ooh. Almost came off the rebounder. Use the bar if you have one, if you need it, but ooh. Just bounce for a moment. Ooh, great strength in the legs there. Amazing stability. I'm going to come into just a bit of a squat. We're going to build some strength in our legs. These are our pump. Strong legs, long life. And let's just go to the side here, just for a moment. So we're working the obliques again. You got this. Oh yeah. A couple more. And yes, let's bounce. Just this. Just the bouncing. We need core stability. But let's go around the world. Try to get to the very edge of your rebounder. Be so intentional, so focused on getting to the very edge. You need to bring real control. Feel it? You're doing it. If you know why you want to build core stability, so much better. If it's just aesthetics, doesn't seem to really, let's go the other way, last very long. For me, it's about having good back health, not feeling like an old person, moving with ease. Oh yeah. This really is an amazing apparatus for building core stability. And bring it into the middle. It's it. 8 minutes. Now we got 6-pack abs. Have a brilliant day. Keep bouncing. Stay incredibly physically active. Comment, job done. Share your progress. Well done.